Hello, I hope you are well. And first of all, sorry for being late to communicate and everything. I was in some problem. Okay, I'm making this video to show you how the background image works. Because what I see each time when I send you a website after completing the design, you tell me about the responsiveness issue. And the major thing I have noticed, that is when you are making the screen bigger, then you are saying that the background image is being cut off. For example, if I make this small bigger, that means I will have to zoom out. Let's see here. You can see if I do the zoom, you can see all the images are cut off. Okay, so here we have some information we need to know. This is actually not an error. This is because we have few kinds of CSS control for the background image. For example, we have the position one. First of one is position. Let's say if I make the position right off, let me give you an example. Okay, let's say this is a screen and this is our background image. Okay, so this is the position. This is called center. That means the left x and y, center. So the image will be in the center position. Now the next thing is repeat. If we make the background image repeat, then in that case, if we make this position center, it will repeat into x and y. That means it will also go. It will also start from here, from here, from here, to fill up the space which we define. For example, we have a space of 600 pixel. In that case, it will fill up the 600 pixel by repeating the image. And now we have another thing, that is no repeat. In that case, if we make the position center, in that case the image will be in like this, and we will have a space at left and right sides. Now here you can have a question, that is if we use an image which has the maximum width we need for the screen, then what happens? Yes, that is fine. In that case, what will happen? We have an image which is filling up the screen. Now the position is center. The problem is when we will make the screen bigger, in that case we can see the difference. That means it will go same position like this because the screen is being bigger. So the only solution we will have to position the image to the right space and making no repeat, and to fill up the screen we use cover the screen. So the fact is we are using an image. Here is the image. Now if we make it cover, then it will cover the space which we have defined. So in that case, when you will make the screen bigger, the problem is it will cover the screen, but that image is not of that size. That means it starts to zoom the image and we get that problem. Okay, now the fact is if we make the cover, for example this is our cover, but the position is left. Let's say from here, if we make it left, you can't see any difference, but you can see the difference when you go to the mobile screen, because it will show the left align first. That means when you are going to the mobile screen, say this is the mobile screen, you are starting to see like this, because this area, the left corner will show up in the screen. So the problem is we are having problem in each sector where we go, and the fact is all the websites try their level best to make the image in such a place so that you can control the screen size. Okay, now let's see that in our website. So this is our default site, and we have the home screen. Everything's fine because we have the standard screen size now, and I have made the I am not actually, the bootstrap is the major. This is the main screen size which we build the website. Now the fact is we have used the background image as cover and no repeat. So when you are making the screen small bigger, so what is happening, the image is taking the full space, it is covering the area, but the image is being zoomed. So you can see we have all the elements small down, and to give the exact space to those elements, the image has been hidden up. Now the same problem if we make the no, it will not happen in the smaller screen, because when we go to the smaller screen it will take the CSS of mobile version. So this is the problem. If we make minus, in that case we are going to hide the images. Now let's say if we don't make it no repeat, for example this is our first image, we have the background image here, we have a control here, you can see right center, because I want to show these elements in mobile font without the background. We only want the background in this background so that we can see the text. I don't want the left side, so I have used the right center. Now we have no repeat, cover whole screen. If we disable the cover and then update, and now if we refresh, okay, so if I start, you can see the position is taking from right side, but it is not covering the area. Now to fix this issue, what we can do, we can make it repeat. So if we make it repeat, what happens, let's see, happens like that. You can see the difference. Okay, so either we can make it no repeat and cover, or we can make it repeat. Now the another solution is we can make it no repeat and position is center without covering the whole background. In that case, if we update, so this is one solution we can get. In this way what will happen is we will have the whole website in a wrapper and it will not exceed the wrapper area. In that case, when you will go to the bigger screen, you will see the website like this. You will have a left and right side space because we have a conditional wrapper for the whole website. So these are the problem, and actually when we are developing a website, there are some points where we don't have any control. Yes, obviously we can do some control, but in that case what we will have to do, for only for this section we will have to make a custom CSS, and not only 2 or 3 line CSS, we will have to make a full sheet for this section. In that case what we do, we make the screen not, we currently we use 3 standard screen size, that is 768 minimum, 768 maximum, and then like this. So what will happen, we can make the pixel wise space. For example, we can start with maximum width 10 pixel, and in this area how the design will work, maximum width 2000 pixel, in that area how this will work. But this is going to be so much lengthy, and it will take so much effort. I think you understand that. So we will have to make the designs in such a way so that we can use this framework and do as much we can do. Actually this is the rules of the Bootstrap. Let me show you. Bootstrap theme. Okay, not this one. We can get the Bootstrap theme here. Okay, let's see. This is I think this is a full screen. Okay, we can see this one. Okay, where is the preview? Okay, now let's see this one. Okay, so this is a website, but it has a background, full height screen background. In that case we will not face any problem, but you can still see the image is cut off. For example, you can see the image is being cut off. To give the space to these elements, the image is being cut off. This is the standard rules of the background image. So think about this and let me know if you have any suggestion. Thank you for watching.